What's up, lifers? Hadn't done one from tailgating in a long time. Alright, as y'all know, Father's Day was about a week ago. A little over. Well, for Father's Day, the girls and my mom got me a net and a measuring board. I don't need either one. I never catch fish, but it'd be nice to have both. Well, I've been watching kayak fishers on YouTube because that's what YouTubers do. We watch people that do what we do. Everybody you see has the same net, and it's got about a 2-foot handle on it. And I did a little research. You can't order it, but with this. And what everybody's doing is adding PVC to it. And that's what I'm fixing to do. What you have to do, cut this foam rubber off right here, slide it on, epoxy it on, and there you go. Mine's gonna be white for a little while because I can't find the wind grip that everybody uses to cover theirs with. As far as that knows, until I got to reading the other day, I didn't even know what wind grip was. Apparently it's for baseball bats and golf clubs. Well, it's going to be for fishing net when I find some. If anybody's got a link to it, share it with me and let me know where to find it. Everything I see on Amazon is just for golf clubs. I need something that'll wrap something 32 inches long. That's another thing, most people make theirs 2 foot. I'm going to make mine 32. If I don't like it, I'll cut it off. It's easier to cut it off than it is to add to it. Alright, I'll be back here in a minute when I start working on it. The 2 other products I'm going to use, and that's the epoxy. You use the non-sticky part of the Velcro and tape it to the handle, put the epoxy on and slide it on. That's what I'm told. We're finna find out if I'm going to tear up this net or not. It's not 100% like everybody else is on YouTube. Nothing I do is. And if it don't work like I want to, I will take time, cut all that off there and get it off. It's not that big a deal. I think it'll work for me. As long as I don't catch no 9.2 pound bass and I can get it in a minute. What are the odds of that? Oh yeah, I may have to fix that. Alright y'all. I hope y'all enjoy these little videos. I'm just trying to do this while Spice in the hospital, get a few recorded up. Traffic. There's always traffic. Sound like he's coming to see me, but I guess he's going down the highway. Alright. While she's in the hospital, probably won't get to fish as much, but I can bang these little videos out like I say. I've done 2 today. That ought to run us through till Sunday anyway. I hope y'all enjoy little videos like this. Like, share, subscribe, tell me how the edit worked out at the end. And we gone.